that people they don't want.
The person who is purchasing 4 Swift Desire and
Yes.
the person who is purchasing 1 Mercedes.
Exactly.
There is a big difference. You think like the person who is purchasing 4 Swift Desire, he is having a lot of money, or like he is with a good mind. Like first he purchased many of the like older people, they say that senior citizens. So he has purchased like Swift Desire. It is 10 lakh car. He is a very nice person. He is saving a lot, and he's, don't you know, he is gonna have many the problem if he face any of the accident. His car is gonna be like into 2. But if you purchase a Audi or any of those Ferrari or something, it's not gonna be like, it will be only a scratch. Yes, that car is giving you many of the advantages. So this is the mindset of the poor guys. Poor guys always think lesser. They feel like saving. They feel like this thing. You know, if you purchase a Mercedes, it is also a saving. It's an asset. It's your money. If you have any of the financial problem in your future, you can sell this and you can get a good amount of the profit too. Yes, if you sell any of the Swift Desire, so you're not gonna get any of the benefit of that too. So if the people who buy these things, we say he has no saving, he has, like people say that Mercedes तो खरीद ली, अब उसको आगे कैसे लेकर जाएगा? He doesn't have more money. It is not like this. It is not like this.
You know that being rich and showing yourself you are rich, these are the 2 different things. People, they don't want to be rich today and they want to look rich. How can you look yourself rich? Wear a good quality of clothes, carrying iPhone, carrying the bikes, branded bikes, a branded vehicle for yourself. So people, they want to look rich. When you go to restaurant, and you don't have to look at the right side before you consume any dish. You just look at the right side and you check out the price of any particular dish, and according to that you just order. Don't see the price tag before you do shopping. If you are having to do this, and if you are having to think before buying anything, you don't have to spend so much blindly. So, you know, 70 or 80% of the population that fell into the category of the average economic group or average economic level. Middle class family, they have problem. Upper middle class, they can manage to afford good things and branded things in their life, and they have money too. Where the problem lies, poor people, they know that it is out of our comfort zone, it is out of our means. We cannot buy these branded products. So they know their limits. But the problem arises in the middle class family. They want high standard and they don't have money in their pocket. But you know, the problem arises when these expenses are very heavy. People, they have to sell their home and they have to just mortgage their property or the amount of gold they have. They want to live a good life, and for that they are ready to borrow money. Getting the home constructed and getting the marriage program done once. So like people, they go and borrow money and they take loan from the bank to show their fake standard. It should not be the way. You should be rich inside. Like, you know, those great people, their lifestyle is very simplified. They have limited number of clothes to wear, but we want to have a bucket of clothes in our home. We want to have a different wardrobe, like there should be 100 and 200 dresses we should have. So it is not a right choice. Looking rich and being rich, these are the 2 different concepts. You are rich, the amount of money you have in your bank account, and you are able to help others as well. And here, like, you are trying to show yourself you are rich, and you have to have money from others for small action, any activity which is conducted in your home, and you have to go to your relatives and ask for the money. You lose your credibility and you lose your self-respect for showing your standard shape. You are having to borrow money. It is not a right thing, I think.
So what I really feel like, you can be rich by spending on the right things. Yes. If you want to do something in your future, like within 10 days or 15 days, you know you want to be a photographer or any of that music producer, whatever you want to be. So what you need now, you need some good devices. Yes, but not a good not a good car or something like this. So stop spending and any of the clothes. You don't need good clothes. We don't need very premium quality clothes. So we should think about it and what we need right now. We need good devices. Just purchase very premium quality devices right that time, and just stop those premium things what you do not need right now. You just stop spending your money on your clothes or any like food, the premium quality food that you were giving in the restaurant, going for the pizza or something like this. You should be very simpler in those things which you do not really need at time, and just spend that much amount of the money in your that which is needed for the future.
Money management is an education we must learn before we get the money in our pocket. It is a concept and it is the education it should be given by the parents. Money management is the most important thing you can learn and you should learn in your life. Even billionaires, they also have so many accountants to manage the money, because money is far beyond concept and their knowledge, right? So managing the money, and it is a different kind of education we need to learn, and we need to importance of the money first. We don't know the importance. We think money that is useful tool to satisfy our needs when we have the salary at the first of the month. Up to the 15 days of our salary that is finished. Now the time comes to borrow money from others, and we wait for again starting of the month. It is not the right thing that we do everyday basis. When we have money in our pocket, we don't think before spending. We need to be a wise consumer. You go to market thinking I want to buy 5 things, and ultimately you end up buying 10 to 15 things. And this 10 extra or 9 extra things, you are never going to use it. So like managing money, it is a far beyond concept. We need to learn that, and it should be taught by our parents. But the problem here is parents also, they don't have proper information or proper education how to manage the money. People, they save money and they spend in their luxuries. This saved money, it is very important, that can help when nobody is with you in your bad time. The money will be your biggest supporter. You need to believe in that. So money that gives you freedom, money buys you respect. And you know, a person is there who earns the respect himself. Talking about APJ Abdul Kalam, did not have money, but amount of respect he earned by doing some right actions, and he became a national asset. He became international assets. So your work is also like very important, like the way you work and how many people are benefited. There are some emotional factor, there are some behavioral factor. Money that is bound to come when you act. When you don't act, you don't expect the money to come to your bank account. Many people, they are in a full paradise, and they have believed that Modi ji will send 15 lakh rupees in their bank account, and they have foolproof plan. I know 4 to 5% they have planned. How will I spend this money and how will I invest this money? And they have made a plan. I will go to Manali, I will go to Jammu Kashmir, 1 lakh rupees that will be spent in this. So they are just looking something which is beyond their imagination.
Yeah, so there are some
This money is never going to come in their bank account.
There are some points like we should remember when we are earning and spending money. Yes, we should remember that if we are earning, so we should not earn like at the end of the day the police is on your door and just knocking that and you just got some of the FBI or something just at your home. So you should be very like money. Respect is also your money, so you should save that too. Yes, you're doing some drug business or something, you are losing your respect. Yeah, so you should remember every kind of the money you should have, but that's a different thing. You don't want respect, so you just do anything.
Money should not be the matter of the luck.
Yeah.
People, they want to get rich in 1 day and within 2 days. Therefore, like you find larger fraction of people, they are playing gamble and they're investing their money in a speculation, and they're like in the dire problem. Their money is consumed by the stock market, and they're putting in investing, borrowing money, and they're investing it, and they become very soon they find themselves flat broke. So it is not a right way to earn money.
Gambling is something like it always make you win once. So that you like be bit more like excited about playing it twice.
Probability of happening is always 1% that is in your favor. But when you go for 1%, you cannot pass any exam. At least you need to have 33% of the marks to get passed. So what it suggests us not to believe in the luck and invest your money.
Yes, gambling is something which I have like understood about it. Like if you gambling is loss. Okay, it is leading you to get lost. Okay, at one time. So it is gonna make you win once, so that you will be excited about for the second time. You just do it second time, and third time you will lose in that.
Speak.
So whatever you have won, you is gonna be losing that all the things. So gambling is that thing.
In our English book, a chapter is expense.
Of expense.
Of expense. In this chapter, Bakun suggested us how to manage money. How to manage money. He said that you don't spend extraordinary expenses.
I think spending money cannot, like managing money, everyone cannot teach you. That's you all, only you have to learn it, because your you give anything importance that's in your mind. Yes, what you give importance to and what is important for you. Yes, but the person who is very different in their profession and everything, he cannot teach you anything like this. So first observe everything what's outside you and what's surrounding you. Then like figure out what is important for you. Then spend the money on that. Relations are also like purchased by the money. Like if you have no money, like you are very like 20k you are earning per month. Yeah, so you will get those kind of people who are like your kind of, but you wanna have some good relationships and you wanna have some good quality people, very nice people. So you need to earn a lot of amount of the money so that you can reach to that level that you can talk to them. Yes. So and why I said they are nice people, because they have done a hard work in their life. They have done that smart work in their life. So they have a good amount of experience in their life about any other thing, relationship, business, or any other thing. So if you wanna have a relationship with them, you need to earn money. If you do not have money, you are gonna be staying at the lower place, and you're gonna have a very simple life, which is not having a good people. Like that kind of a life is also you are having. Yes, you can. If you wanna do something good, you can do many things with the help of money. If you don't know how to like spend money, then yes, you're gonna just wasting all of that money.
Money is not everything in this world, because there are other things more important than money. Health, character, and behavior is for human being is very important than money, because you can buy everything with health, money. Can we buy a character, health, and behavior with the help of money? No.
Yeah, we can buy character and health and everything with the help of the money. If you see many of the industries like airline industries, there, the person who is very different and in going there to get 2 lakh per month rupees and changing their character and playing very fake on that plane. Yes, to like smiling and having a very nice and very decent talk, and with everyone is very nicely and looking and everything. And when you just get out of that I'm talking about those cabin crews and flight attendants. Yeah, they are changing their character for the money. So you can buy the character too, and you can just customize that character too for the money. So money can do anything like in your life, because it is giving you. It is look in the life everything is give and take. Okay. Whether it is relationship or any other things. Like if you born in your home, yes, your parents are there, they are expecting something from you and you're giving them. And you're giving them and you're expecting something from them. Everything this is also money. This is a part of money. Yes, you are giving, like you are a very nice child, like very respecting everyone, touching feet, and very nice like cultural child. They are going to give you mobile phone, they are going to provide you many other things. So it is a give and take. It is a money. You are providing them money, that respect to them. once you start doing disrespect others and you doing what you want to do, they stop giving you that. So you have stopped giving money to your parents, they will stop giving money to you. So it's everything is give and take in this world. Whether it is very close relations of yours, whether it is yes, the love of your mother, I don't know about this thing, but everything except the mother and son's relation or mother and daughter's relationship, I don't know anything about. I know everything about it. Everything is very connected and give and take.